sealing the floor with Pergo Aqua Sealant or permanent elastic silicone. After the floor has been installed and you use the spacers, you'll have some space left between the floor and the wall. Your floor has some leeway and can expand or shrink following fluctuations in humidity. You'll still need a few steps to make the floor water-resistant. Fill in the joint around the floor with PE foam. Then, cover it with permanent elastic silicone and rub it open well with your finger. After this, you can place the skirting board. In humid rooms, it's best to fill it at the bottom as well. Need more tips? Then take a look at the other Pergo tutorials.